Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to find Twitter or X username and password and how to recover your Twitter or X account. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open your Google Mail. Tap on it. And now here, you'll need to tap the search bar and search for Twitter. Now, all the emails from Twitter will pop out, so you just need to open one. And notice this arrow pointing down beside the to me. You just need to click on that. There you have it. Beside the two, you'll see your username. In my case, the username is shut up with a period. So we already found our username. Now, we're gonna look for the password of our Twitter account. Let's exit here in Gmail and open our Google browser. And at the top third option from the right, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. And you'll see Google Password Manager here. Tap on that. And look for Twitter here if you save it in your phone. But if not, do not worry because there's another way for us to recover your Twitter account. Now here, you'll need to open the X app or the Twitter app. Let's just click on log in and it will ask either your phone, email address, or username. But let's first tap on forgot password and tap on your username. Click next and send an email to your username. So click on next. And it will say here that they sent a code to your email. So we need to go back to our email and see if they sent something. Okay, there you have it. And this is our code. So let's just copy the code. Go back to your X app or the formerly Twitter and put in the code. Click next. And it will ask you to choose a new password. So here, let's just put in a new and strong password. Once you're already done creating a password, you just need to click change password. And it will ask why do you change your password. You just need to tap on I forgot my password. Click next. And you're all set. So you just need to click on continue to X, formerly Twitter, and there you have it. You signed back in to your Twitter account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.